like I'm your Nintendo. Break me like bricks through the window. Slay me with your innuendos. Chase me, then drift where the wind blows. Where the wind blows. Oh, you could be my little Princess Peach, and I could be your Super Mario. The two of us were always meant to be. I know I never should've let you